Welcome to video number 2 of Developing Your Superpower with AI. Today we're going to be talking about the customer persona generator and how you can utilize it again to help you out and make some really quick decisions. So we want to go over again with your mouse to the chat now button and click it, and it'll open up the chat box. Again, on the left hand side explains exactly how the AI assistant can help you, and on the top it asks the questions of what it needs to help you out. Now, like the business name generator, I already have some information on our customers, on a business name that we've chosen, and even on a tagline. So I'm just going to paste that in here. And as you recall, we sell canoes to people who like the outdoors, 100% Canadian, family run. We decided to go with the company name of Eco Venture Canoes, and our tagline was Explore the Great Outdoors with Eco Venture Canoes. So this is a lot of information. We can certainly give it even more information. Again, as you recall, the more information we give the AI, the better the answer is it'll give back to you. So here we go. Now, what is the persona generator? What it does is it identifies who is most likely to buy from you and use your product. Why is this important? It's important because we want to make sure that we're targeting the people who are our customers. We don't just want to target everyone. We want to kind of at least zone in and go a little bit closer to who our perfect target market is. And this is what the customer persona generator will do. It'll show you who that perfect target market is. You can certainly add things like, before, traditionally our clients have been, moms. They've been families. They've been males from 18 to 30. They've been people who live in Ontario. Like, you can add in as much information as you can, and then with that information, the AI uses it to create that persona. The more information you give, the more that it'll give back. So if you have historic data, certainly add it in. We, of course, have no historic data. This is a new business that we're building, this canoe business. So we need all the help we can get. So here we go. So the demographic of the persona, someone who's 35 to 40, generally a male, middle to upper middle income bracket, education level, maybe college degree or higher, urban or suburban areas in Canada. So basically that's everyone, male, everyone living anywhere in Canada, but you're making, a few extra dollars in your pocket because we are creating sustainable canoes. So it knows that the price point is probably going to be a little bit higher, and 35 to 45. So they're active. Psychographic, what do they value? They value environment, sustainable outdoor adventure. Their interests are camping, hiking, and kayaking. Why is this important? Well, if there's a camping store or a kayaking company or a fishing adventure company that that are near you, you can maybe partner up with them to say, hey, we're kind of working towards the same type of client, and maybe we can do something together. What else do we got? They're active. Personality traits are adventurous. They're eco-conscious. We know that. Goals is to have memorable outdoor experiences, to connect with nature. All this is great for marketing language as well. Hey, are you looking to create a memorable outdoor experience with your friends and family? Why not connect with us, rent one of our canoes? Why not buy one of our canoes? Hey, are you looking to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of the Canadian wilderness? Why not give Eco Ventures a call and purchase one of our canoes or rent a canoe? So you can start to utilize the language that their goals are because they'll associate themselves with it. Pain point, limited access to high quality, environmental, responsible outdoor gear. It's because it's not readily available. Concerns about the environmental impact, difficulty finding canoes that are both durable and sustainable. Sometimes if you have sustainable, it's not durable. Sometimes if you have durable, it might be made of fiberglass or something else. And lack of knowledge about where to find reliable and trusted outdoor brands. So they're looking for these brands, and they're looking for companies just like our made up fictitious canoe company. They just don't know how to find it. So this is a great marketing opportunity. Communication preferences. They prefer receiving information through online platforms, so social media, and enjoy engaging with brands in interactive contests. So, hey, you know what? Enter your name. You can win a paddle or win a free rental of a canoe. Values, prompts, and personalized customer service, and appreciates educational resources. So, hey, here's some tips when you're paddling, the Great Lakes. Here's some tips when you're paddling, here are the 5 rivers you want to canoe on or paddle on when you're in Ontario. or wherever it is, their buying habits, their brand attitudes. This literally tells you everything about your customer, that perfect customer persona that you want to go after. So what you want to do is you want to take all of this information, you want to save it, and you want to start building some marketing pieces around it. Now, what you can do, and we didn't go over in the last video, is one, you can copy this conversation here. So you'll see that the text is copied, or you can download the conversation. And if you download the conversation, it downloads a TXT file for you, and you have it readily available at your fingertips. That's exactly how you use the customer persona generator. It has great information for you. Again, the more information you can give it, the better analysis it can give you as to who your perfect customer is. I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.